In this video, we will review how to log in to Navigate, a web-based tool that is designed to strengthen the relationships we build with our students every day. To ensure the best user experience, use the latest version of the Google Chrome browser. To access Navigate, go to the college's webpage, www.rccc.edu, and click on the arrow next to the Quick Links menu. Select Employee Portal. On the next screen, locate the Web Applications menu and select Navigate Staff. Finally, type in your Rowan-Cabarrus username and password, then log in. You're all set.